What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to extend the delivery time on Fiverr, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, how to do a delivery time extension. So if you're a seller, you need to go to the order activity page and click extend delivery time on the right side under the deliver now button. Note, it is the best to request more time before the order becomes late or as soon as you realize that you will not be able to meet the deadline. Then after it, set the new extended delivery date and add a short explanation to the buyer this extension is required, and basically click send request. As you can see how many days you want to add, let's say 1, and help the buyer understand. Following discussion, please accept the request, and so on and so forth. So basically the buyer will receive a notification and will have up to 48 hours to respond. The seller will receive a notification once the buyer approves or declines a request. So what if the buyer doesn't respond? After you send your delivery time extension request, your buyer has 48 hours to accept or deny it. In case the buyer is not responding during the period of time, your delivery time will be automatically extended to the new delivery date you requested. So basically, if the buyer does not respond, it will be automatically extended to the date you wished for. So overall, quite an easy process, and hopefully this was helpful to you. As I mentioned earlier, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. As always guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.